Hi everybody and welcome to a unboxing. It's been a while since we've done this. I used to enjoy doing the unboxing videos. I'm not sure why we stopped. I think I do. But anyway, moving on. So today we got an unboxing of, yes, one of those popular air fryers. Yes, we have a Ninja Fuji Maxi Dual Fuel 9.5 litre air fryer. So what we're going to do is unbox it and take a first look. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at the box here. As you said, we've got the Ninja Maxi and the information. So on this bit here, we get dual zone technology, 2 independent trays. So you can air fry and roast on another, depends on what you're cooking and how you want to cook your things. Cook different foods ready to serve at the same time. In other words, you can set, say, like 10 minutes on that one and 5 minutes on that one, and then they will finish at the same time. So if you took in 2 different independent things, they will cook and finish at the same time. Up to 75% faster than fan ovens, which of course is going to save you money, and up to 75% less fat, which of course can be a healthier way of cooking. Down here you got some examples. You've got a max crisp option here, so if you're cooking, you want to make it more crispy, whether it's chips or chicken, then you got that option. You got the air fry, the standard one. You got a roast, so if you're doing a roast chicken, you got a roast option. You can do a reheat, so I suppose a bit like a microwave. Dehydrate, and that's got a picture of bananas. So I suppose you want to dry some fruit out to have like dried fruit, and of course bake. That on there has got a picture of a bread. So of course you can make lots of things with air fryers, from bread, pizza dough, cookies, all sorts. On the side, pretty much the same thing. Auto adjust fan, crisp technology, variable temperature. And on the other side, exactly the same. And that's the other side. So you've got the 2 non-stick trays. You've got 6 customized cooking options, easy to use, and 2 non-stick jaws. 1, 2. So yeah, that's the box. So let's get opening. Okay, so moment of truth. Now I'm working lower down, so I am ducking down a bit to try and fit in there. Okay, right. So first of all, let's take the tape either side. Excuse the back. There we go. That's in the safe. Okay, so on the sides, it's got again the dual technology, bit of program and zone, how to set timers. So you've got a few instructions on the top bit here straight off. Begin cooking, begin zone time, set your timers on the different control things. Okay, so we'll have a read of that later. Perhaps. Of course we will. Looks like greeted by an envelope. Christmas card still. That is probably the warranties and the instructions. And you've got the quick start guide. So that's in your little envelope here. Put that aside. Right, first things first, next is we see the plug followed by a protective covering. Right, I can go over there. Okay, so it is well packed in there. You can see you got cardboard on the right there to stop it moving around. There's a bit of cardboard here on the front as well to stop it moving around. You've got the paper on the top of it. So let's just take that out, and that one just to prove that one's there as well. Right, so I'm just going to step in so I can lift it out. Let the box drop. There we go. It's like Christmas all over again. Yes, we decided to do this with Christmas money. Let's just clarify that. Alright, so this is like an unveiling. Here it is. Do you reckon it's going to be a long way around? It is as well. And it goes. Ta-da! Okay, so let's get. It's heavy, but not overly heavy. Mind you, it did feel a lot heavy in the box. Optically than that. Right, okay. So here we are. It's got the packaging, got 2 trays, so it's got just I suppose these are your instruction bits and these are the bits in. So let's take the camera in to take a closer look. Now, as I'm doing this as an unboxing, we're not going to go into all the setup, the turning it on for the first tries. If you want to do that, if you want us to have a go at cooking some stuff, let us know. Obviously there's lots of cooking videos out there, but if you want to have for us to have a bit of fun with it as well. So you've got the controls, you've got the sink, which is where you've got 2 things in each tray. I'm sure we've got it safe to pull out the size of the tray there. You know, you've got packaging there to keep the tray nice. So they are a good, nice size. So if you've got the sink, so if you've got 2 things cooking, which are the same, say you're going 2 larger pies or something, you can do that without doing settings of both and then put both. That's the match sign. The sink is obviously to sync the time. If you've got the same for 10 minutes, but you want 5 minutes in one, just so they finish together. So you've got max crisp, air fry, roast, bake, reheat, reheat, as we spoke earlier. So here, again, is the packaging. Now the back really, you have got 2 bits here which you can grip, which is handy to move. Purely it's just like ventilations here and here. So there are 2 bits which if actually you can put your hands underneath there. So that's really good. So there we go. That is just the unboxing of the Ninja. Now, actually, you know, there were worries, is it too big, too small? Well, not too small. But actually, I think it's a good size. I think it is a perfect size, to be honest. It is always hard to know sometimes because you see things in shops and everything else. But yeah, so controls are left and right and push, selecting which one you use your cooking in. It's got some ideas on the side, like chicken drumsticks, chips, fish and bakes, etc. as well. So might be worth leaving that on if you're new to it or to get used to the idea. So yeah, so there is the Ninja. I believe this is the 400 model because of the size and the time. So yeah, it's the dual zone 9.5 litre air fryer. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like us to try and do a few things, let us know.